What's up, guys? PK. No. I mimic the mimic. Basically, Kobe, Bottom Running 456, is the most recent part of Yoshi's New Island. He was being like, "Yo, what's up, guys? PK Spox here." So I thought I'd mimic him, mimicking PK. So, how y'all doing? In the last part, we unlocked Mario and did some other awesome stuff. In this part, we're just gonna get some more stars. And I have a feeling okay. I have a feeling that we're gonna be going into Whomp's Fortress, and that's what we're doing right now. So, yeah, I already asked this, but ask it again. How are you all doing today? Go ahead and tell me in the comments below. Tell me how you're feeling, whatever you want. And I'd like how Mario just glitched right there. So, this was originally, well, not originally, I really should not say this, but this course was actually remade in Super Mario Galaxy 2. I don't remember if it's in the original Super Mario Galaxy or not, but it's a really good course, and I suggest you come and play it. So, I'm just kind of like messing around, getting used to the game again. I haven't played, the last time I played it was the Let's Play. I mean, you know, obviously. And so, this, I believe this is the Whomp boss guy. Ugh. So yeah, with Mario you can wall jump. Something you couldn't do with Yoshi. Oh no! Okay, seriously. I can overdo things sometimes. 1-up for the win. So, yeah, okay, if you stand right here, it's really, really useful. It's a very big shortcut, very useful. I'm gonna stomp this guy because I need his coin. I don't believe there's coins here, but I'll try. Okay, good, there's a heart. That's exactly what I needed. But yeah, I don't have too much time because I actually gotta go to bed soon. Fall asleep for like only an hour. Okay, really? I believe you can actually make this jump with Yoshi, but oh, okay, I got it. That's pretty awesome. It makes me so mad. We built our houses. Your castle, pave your roads. Wait, seriously? That really proves game theory's theory, if that's true. Like, you know, the Mario is mental or whatever, that theory. But anyway, here we go. We got ourselves a Whomp boss. Oh! I was just trying to do something to get a thumbnail, but that turned out bad. I really want to use him for a thumbnail. Oh my gosh. I'm going to use him for a thumbnail, obviously, but reason I haven't made it yet, obviously. I do want to use him, but I don't know if there was a good scene with him in it. So if not, I'll have to use a different thumbnail. But who really cares about thumbnails, right? I mean, they help popularity if you have a good thumbnail, you know. So, let's save and continue. I'm going to try to get... Okay, got 12 power stars. So, what I'm going to do here is actually, I'm going to get... well, yeah, I'm going to get 100 coins, and I'll do this really quickly, and I'll speed this up. So, ready? 3, 2, 1, BAM! Let's go! And so, there we go. Finally. Got ourselves a star. Yay! But thankfully, since it's 100 coins, it just goes like that. And you can perfectly just continue on with your game. It's really handy to have the game designers be so smart to do that. So, I'm going to skip the 1-up. Or, wow, okay, it went straight to me. So for some reason, when I was, back when I, like, first got this game, I couldn't get this, like, at all. It's probably because I didn't have a circle pad or something, but I could never jump from these platforms to the next platform. It was just so difficult for me. And I'm proving that I am not getting any better. I still have issues jumping from these platforms, but you know, it's not as hard as it was before. I know that might sound stupid, but that's really how it was. I just couldn't. So, there we go. We got ourselves another star. Yay! Okay. So, yeah, this here is actually, I think this might be my favorite level. I really don't know. But yeah, for 50 coins you get a 1-up, and for 100 coins you get 2 1-ups. So that's neat. Interesting. Shoot into the wild blue. Now, I hate this. I hate this little one, so this little mission. It's not that bad. But the aiming can be so off sometimes. So just be aware. I say be aware a lot in this Let's Play. I don't know why. But yeah, this can be an annoying mission if you can't aim very well. Like this, it shoots you at a weird angle, so this took me for the longest time to figure out how to beat this mission, like seriously. And holy man, I got it on my first try. That's the first time I've ever gotten it on my first try. I'm not even joking with you guys. That's the very first time I've ever done that. That's awesome. I probably overreacted about that, but seriously, that's awesome. Save and continue. Oh! 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 Okay, really. Oh, that was bad. Oh, what? Okay, sorry about that, guys. Had a brief edit right there. Just trying to do certain stuff, and yes, finally. Been waiting for this moment forever. But yeah, I was trying to do certain missions, and dang, they were difficult. So I'm going to get these red coins here. I believe it actually counts as a secret star. I don't know that for sure. But anyway, red coins away. I hate the controls on this. Like, people love the wing caps so much, but I really don't find it to be all that great of a power-up. I'm sorry to all those wing cap lovers. Oh, come on. I'm sure I'm just gonna fail this. Like, I can't get momentum or anything. I feel like I go too far down. And people say, yeah, it's like the Cape, but is it seriously like the Cape? Not in my opinion. And if you crash into the tower, you're dead. Oh! At least it's a very short mission. As soon as I'm done with this, then I'm stopping, because my camera is really very close to being dead, so. You know what? Skip the red coins. I'm going to do that in the next part. I'm just going straight for yada yada yada, skip the dialogue. I'm going straight for the red switch. It's funny because it's kind of an idea taken from Super Mario World with all the switches and everything, but there's only one of them. But okay, so activating red switches. So I am pretty much done here. So yes, I'm saying so way too much. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you all next time.